These 4 websites can replace expensive apps, and they're free. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 powerful websites you should know. They help you edit photos, clean audio, remove backgrounds, and handle files. All online, no downloads, no experience needed. Let's start. Website number 1 is Photopea, and this is basically Photoshop in your browser. Open photopea.com in your browser. You can edit PSD files, PNGs, JPGs, and even design from scratch. All Photoshop tools are here: layers, brushes, text, effects, and more. Once you're done, export your design without installing anything. This website saves you from paying for Photoshop and works even on low-end PCs. Website number 2 is Adobe Podcast, and this one is pure magic for audio. Go to Adobe Podcast and open the Enhanced Speech tool. Upload any voice recording, even noisy or low-quality audio. The AI removes background noise and boosts your voice instantly. Download studio-quality audio in seconds. Perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, voiceovers, and online teachers. Website number 3 is remove.bg, the fastest way to remove image backgrounds. Open remove.bg. Upload any image, a person, product, or profile photo. In seconds, the background is removed automatically. Download and use it for thumbnails, posters, or social media. No editing skills needed. One click and you're done. Website number 4 is TinyWow, and this one is a hidden gem. Open tinywow.com. You get free tools for PDFs, videos, images, and text. You can convert files, compress PDFs, remove watermarks, and more. Everything works online and requires no account. This website replaces multiple paid apps with one free platform. These were 4 powerful websites you should know. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend